your wheel. Some honey on a tree. The golden
and my brother from Hogswipe's having a blast. Our judges today said the #1 bike hails from the custom class.
Yeah!
The bike is number 46, Throttle Wolf.
Let's get it!
Where's he at?
Come on down, bro!
Where's Mr. Wolf?
Here he is!
You better get more excited than that, big boy. Come on.
You better stop running!
He's afraid to run. His boobies will bounce. This guy has got one beautiful bike in the custom class, brought to you by Hogswipe. Hey, Mr. Wolf, how's that trophy feel, son? Come on.
Once you go back, you never go back.
And today's.
Get over there when the girls are.
Today's
Put it down in front of you.
#1 bike that stands as the best of the best out of 85 entries here today. Everybody's getting a little bit of Hogswipe in the house.
Better than these folks!
6 foot tall trophy. Oh, you got to. Dude, there is no way this guy just won over all these bikes.
Get it on!
I have got a pleasure to hand this trophy out to a guy that has followed me in full throttle all over the place.
Yeah!
He went through some hard times with this bike about 6 months ago. Got some stuff straightened out on it. And today, this guy should be, if he doesn't shed a tear, I'm going to beat his butt so he does. This bike took over a championship today. He comes out of the factory custom class. Captain Zigzag!
Let's get it on, Captain!
Captain Zigzag, that is the biggest trophy you have ever won, and I know this for perfect. I know this. I know this.
Here's the joy, brother.
Come on, Captain, get up in here, brother. Come on. How's that make you feel?
You thought you weren't going to get nothing, didn't you?
Hey, brother, did I hit that on the head? Did I hit it? Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, too, do you see all these badass trophies we've been giving away?
Stand up.
It's a very good friend of mine with 4 locations in this our area. Mr. Charlie Brown from Brown's Trophies. Can we give him a big round of applause?